Sarap.
Naibalik nyo na, naibalik nyo.
Naibalik na sa kanya
Hindi na
yung,
pagmalik.
Nung
Kaya mo
pumunta
na
ako
siyang
daw, wala
kumain.
sinagawa.
O kaya nga, hindi niya na binalikan.
Tama na yan. Dami
Ang
yan.
dami. Hi guys, I'm si Chelsea. Hi guys, I'm Kate. We are today. Tignan mo na yung buhok niya. Na, 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 na. Girl, it's right here. Girl, it's right here. Are you not seeing anything? Kinakain niya yung mga tira niya. Nadudura mo pa.
Hindi, inaano niya lang kasi dikit-dikit.
Sarap sa predo to.
You like it? Eat it. Oh, eat it.
Dati may nabibilihan ako niyan doon ng titinda.
Kara.
Oo.
Yun.
Sa trabaho.
Ay, kasi
Ikaw wala
kasi
na.
yung gusto niya
Ito
yung
wala.
Hindi, nakakakain naman yan.
Oh my God!
Huwag niyo nang pakialaman, nakain eh.
Hindi niya
Yung
kinakain.
tsara niya, homemade lang doon.
Lasang kamay yung kinakain niya. Kaya yun eh.
Gagawin ko pag ano, may adjust, kanya ko
Ube.
adjust na lang ako. Balik ko sa kanya. Kasi 16
Why you don't want everything?
Avocado.
Oh my gosh, she's so scared.
Hayaan mo na nga, Stephanie, nakakain mo.
Oh my gosh,
Hindi
she's
talagang masipag eh, no?
so scared.
Oh.
Girl, just eat it. Girl, just you have so many food. Yeah, we gave you a lot, okay? Okay. We gave you a lot. I gave you a lot of kanin so you can eat. I think she wants food with water for it. So I can hit you out.
Kumabit kasi kaya niya kasi.
Eat. Why you kapit na? Why you don't wanna eat?
Hindi na, nilaglag na natin.
Ay, ka na lang dito.
Tapos may
Go.
kinapaharap pang kaso.
Bug.
Hindi.
Yung ngayon ang gabi.
Siyasog sila.
Do you want water? Yeah. You cannot. Do you want water? Or something? Yeah, I think she wants rice with water. We always do that. I think she wants water.
Report. Report. Hindi. Ano to?
Kopiyahan. Sinabi, meron sasabihin si ate ko. I think she want water. With rice. Hindi niya, ayun, kinain mo. Ay, konti lang gusto niya. Oh, yan. Ayun. Bro, ang bilis.
Alam mo yung sa araw, maarte.
Na, 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 na.
Ayun.
Say hi, Melody. She's saying look in the camera. Look in the camera. Because
Ako nagpagawa na sa inyo, magpapalagin ako ng ganyan.
guys, look, we have a pet and she has wings. Yeah, but she's not flying,
Sa
okay?
promic tao doon.
I can show you the
Lagyan niyo ng
world.
photocomic pati ang
I can show you the world. Baba na.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman, sinabi.
You eat now, you eat. Look.
Hoy, Tepo, yung ang tulad nito.
Usually sa ano lang siya.
You
pang
eat.
first
Tingnan mo pa eh.
excited.
Hindi yung antay.
Ang ganda.
Yeah, you gotta work.
Hindi mo masyado baby ako.
Hindi nga. Kahit yung TV meron na.
I think she's so hungry.
Malaki.
Can you eat definitely right now? Or else this one is gonna be paused forever.
PPMA.
Hindi ko alam.
Eat,
Sa Baguio.
time.
Hindi ko alam.
Wag. I think the YouTubers not gonna see it because of
Tama
the
yun.
YouTube.
May text.
Hindi na.
Guys, look. I can show. Hindi talaga nakikita.
Mas talaga ngayon yun. Mga
Ganyan,
ganun course. Kasi
Why have a picture?
Saan?
This one also. Picture. You eat. Not eat the walls. Here, the kanin. The walls, not the kanin. Not the walls, the kanin. Good. Uy! Hala, nakita mo ba yung wings niya?
dami-daming eskwela.
Did you see her wings?
Korporasyon yun eh.
Huwag mo yun don't make it louder because she might get stressed.
Korporasyon yan.
I think she's not hungry. Wait, I think she's not hungry anymore. I think she's full. Yeah. We need to clean it, but I can't because this one.
Ang matatalino
I think you have ant too. Yeah. We already washed our hand because our tissue is so madumi because I cannot clean it with water because the color might wash off, right? Yeah, ayun, she is eating. Don't touch her.
Hindi swerte.
Yeah, she might.
Yung unang choice niya, hindi siya pumunta
Why
doon.
can you not
Yung sa second
eat
choice
it?
niya,
Yeah, it's already in the wall. I gave you in the wall.
computer engineering. Pero sabi nga ni Congressman, maganda nga daw yung computer engineering.
I broke you to
Sa
little
panahon
pieces
ngayon,
that we can go
Pagpunta
back
tayo sa
for other
technology,
things.
dapat yung mga course mo related sa technology talaga. Computer.
Okay guys, that's all. Kalika. That's all guys.
Yun na.
Bye bye.